We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal because we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy the reversal, we'll take it. And as a long term, we're looking for 36 following by 42. There was a reversal from here, but there was no continuation. I want to see what's the next, whether we can look for this one, because any trade for buy, we have to see the breakout of the highest price of this correction. And the question is whether the price can retest the lowest price of this one or not. Okay, can we put this one as a correction relative to this? As long as the price haven't tagged the previous low, yes. Okay, that's mean if you get any opportunity for buy, this is what we can look for. But at this point, I don't see really good opportunity to look for buy. And whenever I say there is no good opportunity to look for buy, I'm referring to the trade setup. It doesn't mean we cannot we cannot take the trade. It depends on the traders, okay? But for me, I'm looking for trade setup, and I want to see, I'm looking for the trade setup that can give me continuation and the breakout of this top, which is somewhere around 20.1. Okay, but at this point, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to weekly chart, as we can see, based on weekly chart, the price almost at the lowest price of this correction. This is what we're looking for. Okay, and anyway, we start with lower time frame forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup. Okay, now the question is, can we expect this one to give us a deep correction for the next drop with the breakout of the previous low or not? For sure, if that won't happen, it can give us a better confirmation. I don't call it a confirmation, better opportunity to look for buy rather than buying within here. By the way, as I said, I'm looking for buy, but I don't see any trade setup yet, even based on forward chart and even based on 1 hour chart. The only way to look for trade, wait for the flag. But whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, we can expect this one turn to a long correction in relative to this sharp move for the next drop. All right, then how to look for trade, whether we should wait for the price to drop before we look for the reversal, or we wait for the flag. Any of them, we will take it. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And as I mentioned, based on the daily chart, the possibility for price to tag the lowest price of this correction, which is somewhere around 13.8, is very high. That's why simply we cannot take the trade. And even at this point, even if we want to consider this one as a correction relative to this, we have to wait for the reversal based on a 1 hour chart. And as I say, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any opportunity, any trade setup that can give us a confirmation for continuation, I will share again. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. Depends on the strategy the traders they use. But for me, I won't take the trade unless I see the trade setup. It doesn't mean we can, for me, it doesn't mean I can buy since the price is at the lowest price of this correction. I want to see the confirmation because I don't want to keep the trade for long term if it is not moving in my direction. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And beside that, one thing I need to highlight here. Can we consider this one as a flat? I don't think it's a good idea because if in that case, we have to see the breakout of the previous low. That means the price, if the price tag the lowest price of this one, then we cannot consider this one in relative to this. Okay. And if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, this is the trade I'm looking for. That's mean from there, I want to see whether the price can break the previous top, because if not, we will expect this one as a flat. In that case, we will give update. But the only thing says we want to see whether we can get the short-term trade based on 1 hour chart or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.